Weather from where you live.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 3 main waves of rain that are kind of lined up west of here, and they're going to pass this evening and tonight right through Friday. But notice there are breaks in between. That's the good news. It's not going to rain the entire time, but there are several little waves of rain to get through. First one is moving in right now. Just a little light rain now coming into western Warren County. Approaching Covington, Hillsborough, Malott, and also Attica, as well as the Rainsville area in Warren County. We got a little light rain around Ambia and around Boswell right now in Benton County. And this is all lifting northeast, where there's some cores of little moderate rainfall mixed in this as well. And this is going to be a pretty cool rain for the evening and at least part of the overnight, with temperatures falling into the upper 30s to around 40, and they're running low to mid 40s right now, though it's 47 Crawfordsville, but it's 45 Lafayette, and it's 43 degrees at Burlington. So this wave of rain, and then another one once we get into Thursday, another on Friday, and it's all going to add up generally around 4/10 to even 8/10 of an inch of rain in places, turning windy and colder Friday, falling temperatures, and then a windy, cold Saturday as a cold pattern settles in around here. Temperatures will fall to about 39, then kind of level off. We may increase a degree or two overnight, back to 46 by 11 a.m. tomorrow, with highs tomorrow generally about 45 to 50 degrees. Not overly windy or breezy, generally southeast winds about 5 to 15 miles an hour, so a little bit of an edge of the air. These numbers, though, will be early Friday. That's the problem. 44 Morocco, 50 Frankfort, 47 that is, Lafayette, and 53 at Atlanta. The cold front comes through, temps falling into the 30s by later on in the day. So the showers tonight may actually hang on a little bit into early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, we get a little bit of a lull, and then another wave comes in tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then we may see perhaps another wave come in later tomorrow night and then on into Friday. This is tomorrow night. This is about 2:22 in the morning. Now, this model wants to get the rain out of here early Friday morning. I think that may be a little too soon. I'm still going to keep some rain into the forecast for part of Friday and then start to gradually pull the rain out of here by the afternoon. Then finally, by Friday night, a few lake effect snow showers and flurries may come in from the north. As the cold air comes in, here it is, there it goes, headed southward, and the cold pattern is going to hang on for a while. As a matter of fact, below normal temperatures as we get into late November and early December. The core of the cold, but with an active subtropical jet, a lot of moisture, we may have to watch out perhaps for a little snow, especially as we get into early December and end November. 7-day forecast, few flurries, a couple snow showers from the lake on Saturday, 25 on Sunday. And then next week, you know, right now looking at the new data today, it's doubtful we'll even make it to 40 before Wednesday. So the below normal temperatures settling in for a while.
Yeah, it looks like it. All right,
yeah.
Chad, thanks.
Sure.
Chad, thank you. Up next, prosecutors filed